In this video I'm going to show you how to mute your internal microphone on your Mac. To do this, you first want to head up to the little Apple logo in the top left hand corner and then come down to System Preferences, and on the System Preferences you want Sound. Now on the Sound tab, you see these three little tabs at the top. You want to click Input. Now as we only have one current microphone, and that's the internal microphone on the Mac, you can only select that one. However, if you have any more microphones, you can select that from this list here at the top. Now underneath, as you can see, Input Volume, this slider controls how much your microphone listens to. So when you speak, as you see below, the input level responds by showing that it is audio. Now if you slide it to the left, whenever you talk, your microphone will not pick it up. Then you can slide it back up, start listening to your voice again, or you can slide it right down here to the left, and now that is your microphone turned off. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, and thank you for watching.